My name is Dr. Christina Fry, and this video is about my doctoral journey and the research behind the creation of my curriculum called Engagement Finder 2.0. When I began my doctoral journey at Capella University School of Public Service Leadership in 2008, I knew that it would be one of the most impactful, life-changing journeys of my life. Being a mother of two, working full-time, and volunteering to causes that are of importance to me caused me to be well-balanced. So when it came time for me to decide the topic of my research, work and family life balance became my topic, having experienced balance challenges of my own. Having the desire to understand the attitudes and beliefs of government executives and how this understanding could reveal possible solutions to imbalances and strategies to assist not only executives but all individuals to be more productive in the workplace and in life. The ability for leaders to effectively balance work and family life balance is critical to the workplace. This balance is increasingly becoming more challenging to achieve, thereby negatively influencing leaders' overall balance and job satisfaction. The impact of the increased level of executive expectations of government has altered the attitudes and beliefs of those employees qualified to enter into executive ranks, with almost half of the federal executive workforce being eligible to retire in 3 to 5 years. Statistical studies from Talent Management 360 say CFOs spend at least 40% of their time on business performance management, but they estimate that 30% of their company's performance potential is lost due to ineffective performance management processes and behavior. Engagement Finder 2.0 is a web-based assessment tool, unlike any on the market, that will allow you as an executive and individual to determine your unique styles of communication, leadership, personality, and decision-making. This knowledge will assist you in achieving your personal goals, organizational objectives, and the bottom line, while using your time more proficiently through your unique 360 work-family obligation assessment. Being able to create these tools to assist others through my research and life experiences has been a blessing and has become my mission, as there are many executives and individuals that struggle every day with balancing out their lives in order to achieve. You can gain more knowledge of this research depicted in my book on Amazon and YouTube, which contains more detail behind the development of Engagement Finder 2.0, entitled The Relationship of Work and Family Life Balance to Job Satisfaction for Government Executives. My firm, Fry Consulting Group, is presently running an exclusive early access and readership opportunity of Engagement Finder 2.0 to a select few. For more information on this opportunity, send an email to info@engagementfinder.com. Invest in yourself and your organization with early access to Engagement Finder 2.0 today.